with the rhythm of Africa. Together we reach our goal. So fly high, so with pride on our wings, we will rise. Dream of the place you delight, Africa world. We're gonna take you there. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. In a your journey's complete. A warm smile, a welcome embrace. Africa's essence we proudly embrace. So fly high, so with pride on our wings, we will rise. Dream of the place you delight, Africa world.
Just shout out, just one thing you've learned. Anybody? Yes?
I learned what the pilot does.
What does the pilot do?
The pilot flies the plane.
He flies the plane, okay. Cassie?
Before plane flies, there's a lot of work that is put into it. Example, the commercial department. They make the money for the company, and they set the price for the tickets and set out the routes for the
Wonderful. My AWA has been absolutely superb. Every station we've been to, the staff have been very welcoming. They've been very informative. I think they've also inspired a lot of the young people here.
Thank you,